Just stop using foil to grill your salmon.
You're essentially steaming your fish.
Welcome back. Today we're showing you how to cook skinless salmon on a gas grill without the salmon sticking or tearing apart. There's a reason why your salmon sticks and shreds on a gas grill.
It's not because you didn't use enough oil or butter on it. It's because the gas grill produces a specific type of dry heat that acts like glue with the food. We're going to show you how to solve that problem today.
We're going to be showing you how to evenly distribute that heat across your gas grill.
And also, got to give you our tips on how to make sure we add layers of flavor to the salmon that we're cooking on the gas grill today.
We're going with a hot crunch chili rub, finish off some sweet sugar and some ginger, really just bringing those flavors together.
All right, we got a couple of skinless salmon fillets here ready to go. And this is the rub we're going to use today. So we have brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, and a little bit of ginger. We're going to mix this all up. And we're going to put that on our salmon. We also have the Momofuku Chili Crunch. This is what we're going to be using as our binder today. A lot of people like to use avocado oil or butter, but we're going to change it up. This has a little bit more flavor, a little bit more heat, and it already has the oil in there. All right, so we're going to start with our binder here. This is the Momofuku Chili Crunch. Really good. I'm just going to spoon that over the salmon. We got our chili paste on there. Now, we're going to have to get down and dirty. We got gloves on, so we're going to take our salmon. We're going to rub that chili oil all over the salmon. So let's get that all rubbed up here.
Well, let's put a nice color on the salmon, Greg.
Well, it is. It is. I mean, really, really easy recipe. I mean, I'm doing it with gloves for the video, but I mean, you can get down and dirty with your hands. Not a big problem. All right, so we got our rub here, and we have more rub inside, but we're just going to take this and just sprinkle it right over our salmon. It's got that brown sugar and ginger in there. It's going to go really good with that chili paste, sweet and spicy. Just kind of rub that all over your salmon, all over the top. Now we're going to flip it over the other side. Got a lot of excess here in the bowls. We're just going to take that up.
One of the first issues we need to address with cooking skinless salmon on a gas grill is that high, hot, dry heat you talked about. And so for this grill, we've actually did a little upgrade here. We bought our grill grates. And as you can see here, the grill grates, cast aluminum, and they spread the heat around. That flame comes up and it just evens out the heat. That's gonna keep us from having any high temperature hot spots on our gas grill while we're cooking the salmon. Now, one of the best things we can do to just add a little more flavor to this salmon on a gas grill is we're going to be oiling our grates, but we're going to be oiling it with an onion. The onion does two things for us. It helps us apply the oil to the grates, and it does a little bit of scrubbing action. So we got good clean grates to start with, and we've got our grates up there somewhere around 400 and 500 degrees. Now we're going to take these salmon that Greg got for us, obviously at risk of sticking and tearing on the grates. But since we've got these wonderful grill grates here, we're just going to sit them on here. These boneless, skinless salmon are going to turn out great on a gas grill. We're going to go about 3 minutes and flip the salmon. We've been cooking here for about 3 minutes. We're getting ready to flip our salmon on a gas grill. But one more thing we want to do where we're going to flip them. Just go ahead and oil that grate one more time. One of the reasons we love these grill grates is they come with this nice spatula here. It's got the little fingers that actually go under the salmon. This is actually going to go under the salmon. There's no need to tear or rip that salmon up, and you can just see how easy it releases. We're just going to move it over to our other side of the grill, right there. Now here, Greg, there's one more thing we got to do. Another layer of flavor here.
Yes, sir.
Just a light coating. All right, we're gonna let this salmon go another 2 to 3 minutes and check it for temperature. All right, we've been cooking around 5 to 6 minutes, and this salmon on a gas grill is looking fantastic. Now the last thing we want to do, this salmon's not quite done yet, but we're gonna take it and rotate it to our top rack. We've got our salmon on the top rack. First thing we're going to do is temp our salmon. Of course, we're looking to pull this at around 140. We're almost there, 134. So just a few more minutes and this salmon is going to be ready to pull. Well, look, Greg, looks like I made a little mistake here when digging it through. Really can't pick up the salmon with that type of spatula. However, just take your time, grab some of the tongs that you really like, slide it right off there onto the cutting board. Boneless, skinless salmon. No tear technique. Got a little red onion here to go with it. And Greg, this would not be Bluff City Grub. We didn't add just a little more flavor to this salmon. Again, we're just gonna give it a light coating. You can really tell that that brown sugar caramelized to the salmon, gave us a nice crust. That Momofuku chili rub's gonna bring a little bit of heat, and the only way to tie it all together is the juice of one lime. Don't be afraid to get that lime in the onion too.